In this question, you have to identify the substances having glycosidic bond and peptide bond respectively in their structure. Option A, cellulose and lecithin. Now, cellulose is a polysaccharide which is made up of glucose units which are linked by glycosidic bonds. But lecithin is a phospholipid, so it doesn't have any peptide bond. Rather, lecithin has ester bonds that links the fatty acid to the glycerol moiety. Hence, it is incorrect. Option B, inulin and insulin. Now, inulin is a polysaccharide which is made up of repeating units of fructose which are linked by glycosidic bonds. And glycosidic bonds are specific type of covalent bonds that connect the monosaccharide units in a polysaccharide. And insulin is a protein, and proteins are composed of amino acid which are linked together by peptide bonds that forms between the carboxyl group of one amino acid and the amino group of another. Hence, this is the correct option. Option C, chitin and cholesterol. The chitin is a polysaccharide like cellulose, and it is composed of N-acetyl glucosamine units linked by glycosidic bonds. But cholesterol is a lipid, specifically a steroid, and it does not have glycosidic bond or peptide bonds, since it is neither a carbohydrate nor a protein. Hence, incorrect option. Option D, glycerol and trypsin. Now, glycerol, which is a backbone of triglycerides and phospholipids, but it doesn't have glycosidic bonds. And it is involved in ester bonds when it forms the parts of fat. So it doesn't fit with the glycosidic bond or the peptide bond that is in question. And trypsin is a protein which is a digestive enzyme, and like all proteins, it contains peptide bonds between amino acids. Hence, it is incorrect option.